Saturday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. So I needed a couple of days away from that insane asylum. I get called in today while Mom and I are out at lunch. Talk about irritating. Nice couple. Just irritating. Hi guys. Still haven't figured out which one's Larry, Curly, or Mo, but that's their names. Nope. Just checked the weather, and it's going to be mid-20s at night and mid-40s during the day for the next week. So it looks like we're going to be hauling water. I got the one-day reprieve when it was 35 out in the morning. Hi guys. But tonight I'll stretch the hose out and clean out their water real good. What's going over there? Why are you standing in the corner? Better go check on her. You having some alone time, Mama? You okay? No. You gaggle of fraggles. I'm gonna go in and check on her real quick. I opened up the door and she kind of took off. Well, there's my buddy. She took off, so I don't know. Chickens are hard. Hi, bud. You my buddy. He's been enjoying the temperatures, but it's going to be cold again, so... Okay, can I get up here? I need to put some steps there. Got a ramp over there. He'll be fine. He'll make it through it. He's a thick boy. Let's go scoop the poop and get some eggs. Listen to this. You can hear my screech owl in there. Yeah, maybe not. What's up, Screech? Oh, there's still some food in there. Hold on a minute. Let me go get some food for him. I'm going to scoop the poop and get the eggs because I won't be able to make it in here. Okay, Screech. All right, get out of the way, get out of the way. There's food still in there. You just see the bottom. It's pissing you off. Well, we looking okay. We got two here. We got two here. Excuse me, pardon me. That's 5. That's 6. 7. It looks like there's something happened over here, but that's 7. That's 8, that's 9, that's 10, and we do have a broken one. It's probably 11. Can I help you? Can I help you, beautiful? Yeah. Did you have a bad egg? Is that what it was? You trying to tell me about it? All right. Let's go put the eggs away and get them some food. I still see food down there. Don't act like you're starving. Crazy nutcases. I'll close that later. So I started that carnivore diet on December 7th of 2024, and I'm down 40 pounds. But for the last 2 weeks, I stalled out in the 220s. But I think I'm starting to go again. Hey guys. Yeah. Would you like some treats? You're too crazy with that. You're too crazy with that pecker. There you go, Mama. Oh, what? Would you like some? Are you gonna be nice to me? What happens? See if we get into an argument. That's as good as it gets. You figure it out and find it. It is miserably cold at night and in the early mornings. So actually, coming out here cleaning it, you have to really suit up. But I don't mind it. It's for the girls. Let's get some eggs. See if our egg getter is back. Nope. We got her. That's not a sassy egg. I'm going to say that that is Princess Buttercup's egg right there. It has to be. We've not had a brown egg layer in a while, besides Sassy. So I think Princess Buttercup's starting her getting her laying eggs type thing. Wow, just feeding the chickens. Temperature dropped. Definitely getting to be probably below 30 now. Got my shipment in from the DoubleTree Forest products. This is the fatwood and the kindling that I use to get my fire going. And it's a pretty dang good product right there. I am super glad that I have lots of firewood. I'm going to say we got at least another 3 weeks of this cold before it starts to calm down a little bit. So I'm going to stoke the fire and relax for a bit. You all stay safe. Have an amazing night.